All right, Graylind Challenge. This is coming here at Graylind.com. Todd out in Aurora, Wayne's World.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Take it away. Party time.
All right, we're doing another Graylind Challenge here in Aurora. And got a young lady here. Ma'am, what's your name?
My name is Billy.
Billy. What kind of car do you have here today?
I have a 2010 Honda Accord.
And how many miles do we have? Let's take a look.
11,821.
Awesome. And it looks like we got an RPM level of about 900. So that's our baseline for our thing there. All right. Now, why don't you grab a hold of this window and tell me how much vibration's in that window. Do you feel any vibration in that window? A little bit? Just a small amount? Okay. All right. So we're going to download the image, text message. Let me get to it. Yeah. Did you text it to me?
Images have been deployed here. Should be arriving. Let's see. Yeah, I got it sitting in Naperville, Illinois right now. Where are you at?
All right. It's got to be heading this way. I ain't got it yet.
Also sent in a confirmation dot.
All right, there it is.
Yeah, but our image hasn't arrived.
Yep. No, that's the wrong one there. Let me back up. I'm out in the bright sunlight. It's tough out here, but it's a great day. Oh, there it is. All right. Let me go ahead and see. Your gas tank is on the driver's side. And we're going to put this on the back seat floorboard face down, the image face down. And we'll let sit that there for about 3 or 4 minutes. Let it charge the gasoline that you have in your tank. So I'm going to make sure the image stays on. And it didn't. So let me do that again.
Kathy, our field agent, in the middle of a Graylind Challenge. Yay!
Oh, okay.
Don't be shy. Kathy is a text ride override owner of the country of Mexico. Right now we have Todd out in Aurora, Wayne's World. Excellent party time, Illinois, where he is doing a Graylind Challenge. Are you still with us there?
Yep, still with it.
Okay, we got 2 minutes there on the back seat with the image. You can now go back to cam. Let's run the 222. 2 minutes on the.
Yeah, let me do it again. It went out again. Let me put it back into as wallpaper.
Yeah, you need the image just to stay up for 2 minutes. That's the quickest way to get through the challenge.
Yeah, we're gonna load it into the photos and do it a little different here because it's. Oh, I just missed it.
On on deck we have we got quite a few people on the Graylind Challenge here. Wow. Todd, Teal, Marie, Smart, Julie, Jason, Graylind, Doug, Dana, David, Kathy, Mark. All right. We're getting through more challenges as the day goes on. Our goal, 400. We set aside $1 million in inventory to do this challenge. We'll send the 10-pack out for the first 400 people. Have $2,500 worth of our technology that they can peel and seal all the cars in the neighborhood, which of course will, cleans up one neighborhood at a time. There was a guy who tried to take over the world, and I failed. There's a guy who tried to take over the country, and I failed. There's a guy who tried to take over a state and even a city, both of the mayor and governor, and failed. But I took over a neighborhood, and everybody there was a great success, which now is now getting attention to the mayor and the governor from everyone in town and in the state, which will soon get everybody in the country and soon everybody in the world. So we had to bite off a neighborhood first and have a success that made you feel good instead of walls and walls and walls of failures to get this mission complete. So we've learned a lot in the last 14 years. Out there in the field, we have the floorboard charge. Now let's run that RPMs back on cam.
All right. I did go and check the smell of the gas, and it was not pretty.
It never is.
So we're still running. Let's go ahead and Billy, would you put the car up to about 2,000 RPMs and just hold it there?
We like the 222. 2 minutes, the text message image at 2,000 RPMs.
2,000 RPM, just hold it. We're going to hold it up a little more.
For 2 minutes.
We're going to hold it there for 2 minutes.
We'll clear out that fuel line and take that now conditioned particles of fuel, which will render the toxins inert inside the piston. By changing the properties of matter, we can change the flash point. That temperature inside your engine is far below the melting point or that flash point of many of those trace toxins, mercury, lead. You get unleaded gas. Believe OPEC as much as NASA. You are taking out trace elements that burn at 2,000 and 3,000 degrees. Your engine's not getting hot enough, and that's what uncooked hydrocarbon and pollution and smog is. Well, what we do is we change the property of those toxins so that they implode, not explode. They collapse internally and melt 100% through. Actually giving your car not only a efficient burn, but a more responsive in miles to the gallon and in horsepower and torque. Something we have bench tested and have the EPA world record on. Once you've experienced this technology and had it on your vehicle for 60 days, we at Graylind Industries will now submit, and this is why we're taking these videos. These are the history blocks of the cars that will be receiving carbon allowances for vehicles that we take to a zero pollution state. That is worth almost $2,000 per year over the next 5 years. Quantum Genie in Oakland will be ready to test on a Graylind challenge with you momentarily. What we're seeing here is a chance to turn a car in your or a lawnmower in your garage and receive almost $1,500 a year for 5 years on your lawnmower. Is your lawnmower worth that much money? I think now you see how we are the game changer in clearing our atmospheric skies and what it means to everyone once they do. All right, let's take that down. I think this
drop her all the way down, and then we're going to punch it, floor it all the way down once, all the way down, okay? And now wait till it comes down all the way down again and do it One more time. That's good. Now we'll just let it back down to idle. Well, that looks like the idle's dropped.
Where were we?
We were at about 900. It looks like it's about right in the middle, about 750.
All right, for the moment of truth, the deer in the headlights look. The moment we've been waiting for in this challenge.
Let's go back and take a smell.
Take it to the back, and so that we can see what the exhaust and the look of the face is on the participant today, getting her $2,500 in Graylind goods.
You come here. Absolutely no smell at all. Looks like another successful Graylind challenge.
It's kind of a letdown almost, but and we're still trying to find that one that doesn't work. We just can't. We have not found a vehicle, including the 65 Corvette. If you haven't seen that and make you a believer, that was the hardest challenge so far. So if we took it off, we took smog out of a 65 Vet, imagine what we could do to. What kind of car is this? What kind of car is this?
Honda Accord.
Imagine what we can do to your Honda. Okay, another Graylind challenge. What's your name, ma'am?
Billy.
Billy, that's right. I'm sorry. I did catch that earlier. All right. From Graylind.com, this is Thunder. I'll see you guys on the next challenge.